Hi guys, welcome to healthspectra.com. 10 natural remedies for wheezing. Experiencing a constant whistling sound while breathing? It is possible that you are wheezing. Possible reasons behind wheezing. There could be several underlying medical conditions, but for the most part, the wheezing is caused because of the constriction of the airways. We have some natural remedy hacks that can cure the condition. Steam inhalation. The warm steam helps in decongesting and also breaks down the accumulation of mucus, which further helps in curing the wheezing sounds. Breathing exercise. Wheezing in patients suffering from asthma and COPD can benefit if they indulge in a wide range of breathing techniques, especially the pursed lip breathing. Drink hot beverages. Drinking hot beverages like tea and coffee are quite beneficial in breaking down any mucus accumulation or even help soothe any inflammation that could be causing the wheezing. Bronchodilators. The bronchodilators are beneficial for patients of asthma who have a tendency of having constricted airways because of their condition. They help dilate the airways for better breathing. Consume more fruits and veggies. Vitamin C, D and E from the fruits and vegetables have been found crucial in the treatment of wheezing and lessening it to quite an extent. Quit smoking. Repercussions of smoking is often associated with wheezing. Quitting smoking can beneficially aid in getting rid of the problem for good. Avoid exercising in dry weather. Oftentimes, exercising in dry and cold conditions further worsen the condition of the airways, making it harder to breathe and can cause wheezing. Avoid that. Honey. Honey has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties which have beneficial properties in soothing and getting rid of any inflammation in the airways. Mustard oil. Massaging with warmed mustard oil can help in decongesting and even soothe the throat and help promote better breathing and get rid of wheezing simultaneously. Apple cider vinegar. The antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory as well as mild acetic acid can help in breaking down mucus accumulation and even get rid of any kind of inflammation in the airways, thus curing wheezing. That wraps up the natural remedies for wheezing. Which ones are you going to try out? Join our WhatsApp subscription for latest health articles delivered right to your mobile devices. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep yourself updated.